What's up, guys? This is for the hedge fund manager who is trading $750 million portfolio. Right now, you may be happy trading the combination that's MACD, RSI, volume, 50-day moving average, 200-day moving average, the Bollinger Band, the stochastic, the DMI, the CCI, VWAP, and price action. If you were to take all the technical analysis, all the fundamental analysis, and all the sentimental analysis, you will have a combine of over 25 quadrillion combination to pick from. And even if you were to put 10 powerful server in parallel to backtest some of these strategies, you will maybe have a combination of over 5 billion that may be profitable in the right market condition. The problem is that's not enough. Majority of the technical indicators, especially some of the lagging indicators, they have too many drawbacks to them. Even if you were to remove false signals by going back in time, you must have a better trading plan than that. If your portfolio came from 1.2 billion down to 750 million, it's because you are not taking advantage of your process for the intraday data. Every stock has its own story. You must analyze tick by tick data of that particular stock. Instead of using a 30-minute chart or even a 60-minute chart, use a 1-minute chart and build your strategy on top of each minute. You will get a better picture from using the 1-minute data instead of using a longer time frame. Latency can definitely hurt your strategies. In order for you to take your account back to over 1.2 billion, you must analyze every single tick of data for over 975,000 securities and only pick the one that has the highest probability. You have too much opportunities in the market for you to be in a trade that's not performing. The most important thing is your risk management must be as valuable as your entry data. The problem is when it comes time to exit, you may have your portfolio up for 30% for the month or for the quarter. One bad reversal can take down your portfolio 60%. So you have to focus on strategies that will monitor your reversal and perhaps customize your servers to handle the high volume in a way where it will track all the reversal for you in a real-time basis. The edge is on your side. I believe in you. Let's do it.